Hey, it's your boy back again. Is your Nissan Altima 2003 playing a very faint sound in the back? In the, sorry, not the back, the front speakers, the Bose setup. These are the 6.5-inch Bose speakers. Now I want you to check this shit out, my dudes. Alright, now if your speaker is making a very faint sound and is not making any sound really at all, even at high volumes, low volumes, any volume at all, pretty much any, just a piece of crap, check and see if this shit is happening. Never in my life on a car have I seen this. That's the speaker, so I push in and it pops out. Out. I mean in, out, in, out, in, out. Yeah, the bass, pump it up, yeah, boy. Anyways, just replace your fucking speakers. These Bose things are shit. It's shit as shit gets, man. Like paper. Oh no, my fucking speaker. Anyways, take it easy, guys. Don't mess up your sound like that did.